Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead, and I'm working on the quilt. Now, one of the reasons why my quilt went on crooked is because you can see here, these cloths have just been wrapped around the bar and pinned. So I have, these are called leader cloths, and what they are is, what you do is you pin all 3 layers to these cloths. I'm going to staple them into place, and you're going to staple them lengthwise. And I'm going to do that, and I'm going to redo these, and then I'm going to take you and show you the almost finished quilt and what I have to do next. So here's the quilt, and I'm sorry about the light. I'll show it, you'll see better when it's finished. And I got near the end, and I realized my sheet doesn't go all the way, so I'm going to actually add a piece in here. I'm not going to take you into the sewing room because it's just way too crowded to get the tripod in there to show you what I'm doing, but that's the next step. There, it's a little straighter now, and you can see where I have sewn on a strip across the top. Here's where it meets, across the top here, so that it now goes all the way to the edge of the quilt. This is the Miss Wolfie, yeah, don't look at my hair, from our half-acre homestead, saying the next one will be me making and putting on the binding. Yes! 2 weeks to go. Whee! Mwah! Take care, God bless.